Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the greasy depths of Bryan Johnson's extra virgin olive oil. A true longevity elixir or just a mere marketing ploy? Let's find out, shall we? Let me tell you folks, for olive oil, this stuff costs a shitload. $60 for a litre and a half to be exact, or 48 quid if you live in the UK. Now at that price, this stuff's either been squeezed from olives, handpicked by centenarians from a secret longevity boosting grove, or maybe, just maybe, we're being taken for a ride. Anyway, let's pour out the facts and get to the bottom of this. A quick search on Google finds comparable extra virgin olive oil for less than half that price. And unlike Blueprint, some are even certified organic. Now cynical old me simply can't resist pointing out that perhaps it's really just all about the branding. Because at this price, and with Bryan's name emblazoned on the bottle, this oil comes across to me as a little less extra virgin and a little more extra hype. But hey, don't take my word for it. Let's listen to what an olive oil expert has to say about Blueprint oil. Dr. Selena Wang, an associate professor working in the Department of Food Science and Technology at the University of California, told Business Insider that she didn't see anything different from much cheaper high-quality extra virgin olive oil. She also stated that the levels of phenolics in Blueprint oil is decent, and that the levels of oleic acid, which is linked to good heart health, was average compared to most olive oils. But she did confirm that it does meet the criteria to be graded as fresh and good quality. Interestingly, Blueprint did not respond to Business Insider's request for comment. Next up, we have dietitian Nicola Ludlam-Rain, a published author in the Journal of Human Nutrition and Dietetics. She also holds a master's degree in health science and a degree in sport and exercise science. Nicola commented that unless you're a multi-millionaire with more money than you know what to do with, then give this olive oil a miss. Fair comment? Maybe, maybe not. Although I am inclined to agree with her, because unless Blueprint olive oil has some secret unlisted ingredient that turns it into an elixir of youth, then I'm just not convinced it's worth the asking price. Now I'm also going to throw an unexpected spanner in the works here and mention the fact that although there's certainly plenty of data out there suggesting olive oil's health benefits, there's also plenty of opposing data if you care to look for it. For example, Dr. Michael Greger from the website nutritionfacts.org, which is a non-profit website that promotes study-backed health information, has highlighted several studies indicating a significant and constant decrease in endothelial function for 3 hours following each meal where olive oil is consumed. Certainly food for thought there, no pun intended. And if you're interested, you can find a link in the video description. Now before we get to my conclusion, I think you should hear one last thing. I've just read a post on Bryan Johnson's Instagram page where he states that his extra virgin olive oil is more powerful than sauna therapy, cold therapy, and a few notable longevity supplements. Well, I'm sorry man, but I'm calling you out on this one because that statement is quite simply not true. Unless of course you'd like to prove me wrong, which is something I'm always open to. The ball's in your court and my webcam's always ready to go. And just to be clear, I've got nothing against Bryan, and I think it's great that he's trying to push the boundaries of human life extension. But let's not forget that there's many others the world over who've been following similar strategies for decades now, but without the high profile media exposure. So let's keep it real and not forget our responsibility to back up our claims with any available facts, lest we risk inadvertently promoting mistruths. So in conclusion, I'll leave you with this. Is Blueprint olive oil a genuine longevity elixir, just a marketing ploy, or something in between? You decide. Because while it may well be top shelf, its price tag seems to be reaching for the stars. Thank you for watching and see you all again soon.